And so number one thing is to prep, number two is prep, and number three is prep. So you want to really make sure you scrape your floor. Like in here, we had some drywallers in here, so I had to go over and scrape everything, make sure everything's flat, sweep really good, and maybe even vacuum to get rid of all the dust. Now, you may have to make sure your subfloor is flat. Gotta make sure there's no dips or humps. So in our instance here, this is a brand new slab, and so it looks like the concrete is pretty flat. We don't really have to do any more prepping